9508 Cloudcroft. Good condition. So far from what I've seen, everything looks good. The paint looks to be in good condition, as is the flooring. This is, those are mats, like for a gym. So I'm not sure what's underneath that, but it looks like it's installed pretty well. Looks like there's no tile under it, so it might be just subflooring under there. We have the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. This is where the sun hits. They don't look warped, probably because of the screens. So it's nice that they're still in good condition. This would probably have to be changed to carpet. These walls are darker, good condition. Change in tile, cabinets look great. So does the counter. Carpet looks great. There's no light in here, but we have the correct blinds, but with those material slats. I'm not sure why, but the paint's in good condition, as is the carpet. A lot of extra draperies. Those are upgraded blinds, but there's no, oh, yep, and there are the upgraded treatments on those windows as well. What is this? This is, it's a wallpaper sticker at the top. This looks like paint, so I think repaint on this room. Carpet looks great. Tile in the master. Beautiful fan. Good condition. Everything looks good. Good condition, I mean. The cabinets, counter, flooring looks like it's in good condition. Okay, so these plantation shutters are just used for privacy, I guess. So because there is a closet, this would technically, it could be a bedroom. I'm not sure because of this enclosure. So yeah, probably be used as an office. Yeah.
Because I had neighbors come in and they said that they had theirs closed off with a door, so that could be a bedroom right there.
Okay.
Because they came in, there were a couple. There was the same model, almost same exact floor plan, except for they had a door there. So that was the bedroom for them.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks. Okay, and this is wallpaper. Okay, so just get that removed. And then we have the same plantation shutters shutting off the living and the dining area. What is this? This is textured paint. And this is a sticker. Okay, cabinets look good. Okay. Well, this is nice. Really beautiful pavers. That's AstroTurf or fake grass. There's not a lot of rocks, so that's a Jenny call. Lots of space on the side of the house. It's not cramped. Okay.